Understanding solutions of linear equations. What is a linear system? A linear system is two lines. Solving it means finding where the lines meet. Case 1. No solution. Equation 1. Y equals 2x plus 3. Equation 2. Y equals 2x minus 5. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Substitute y value of equation 2 into equation 1. 2x minus 5 equals 2x plus 3. Subtract 2x from both sides. So negative 5 equals 3. This is false. So the system has no solution. Why this gives no solution? Both slopes are 2. Same slope. Intercepts are 3 and negative 5. Different intercepts. So lines never meet. So the lines are parallel. Graph explanation. This is graph example of no solution. So it is like parallel lines when there is no solution. Case 2. Infinite solutions. Easy example. Y equals mx plus b format. Equation 1. Y equals 3x plus 2. Equation 2. 2y equals 6x plus 4. Divide both sides by 2. Y equals 3x plus 2. Both equations are exactly the same. Substitute y value of equation 2 into equation 1. 3x plus 2 equals 3x plus 2. Subtract 3x. 2 equals 2. This is always true. So the system has infinitely many solutions. Here the type of solution is infinite solutions. If you multiply equation 1 by 2, you get equation 2. That means one equation is a multiple of the other. So they represent the same line. Since both equations describe the same line, the lines overlap. Graph explanation. Both equations describe the same line. They lie on top of each other. Every point on the line is a solution. Case 3. One solution. Equation 1. Y equals 2x plus 1. Equation 2. Y equals negative x plus 4. First, make sure each equation is in y equals mx plus b form. So, we can compare slopes and intercepts. Substitute y value of equation 2 into equation 1. Negative x plus 4 equals 2x plus 1. Bring terms together. 3x equals 3. X equals 1. Now substitute x value into either equation. Y equals negative 1 plus 4 equals 3. One unique solution. 1, 3. Why this gives one solution? Slopes are 2 and negative 1. Different slopes. Different slopes always intersect once. 1, 3. Lines cross at one point. Graph explanation. The lines have different slopes. So they cross at exactly one point. That point is the one solution. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more math videos, don't forget to like and subscribe.